Have you made money online before? I mean legitimately. Let me show you how to make $100 to $300 online. Your mobile phone can be your money printing machine. Just like this, you can earn consistently online. You may probably be like Steve, who did not believe he could make any money online because some believe there are a lot of scammers online. Yes, there are. Some people even feel that they must be well trained in IT skills before they can earn online, while some are just okay with the peanuts that they earn online. Let me let you know that there are over 1,000 ways that you can earn online legitimately without robbing a bank, doing Yahoo Yahoo, or killing innocent souls for money. These are secrets to make money online. These are time tested and proven ways to earn money online that we have shared in our online webinar. We have now put together the recorded classes for you to enjoy for free so that you can leverage on this amazing opportunity and start learning online. Not only that, you will also be taught, if you watch this video to the end and take action, how to cash out your money online using PayPal, Payoneer, and other international platforms. If that sounds good with you, click on the link down below and then I'll see you on the other side.